Rum get ATL.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy Gib ATL back at it again. We got a special unboxing from no other than the princesses of the royal family, Christopher C. Horton, Jasmine Horton of T3PK Transformers Third Party Kingdom. So, this package was gifted to me from no other than their beautiful daughters, Jaden and Zelandria. So we're gonna see what surprise they sent me. So we're gonna do a unboxing. See what they got over here. Hey Chris, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Straight up. Get all this paper off here. See what y'all got in here. See what y'all got. Alright. See what it do. Alright. Quick unboxing, y'all. Give me a minute. See what the princesses sent me. See what they got going on. Uh-oh. See what it is. Oh, a card. Alright, let's see. I want y'all to see what their cards say. It said, to the big bro I never had but always wanted. Happy birthday, big bro. I'm wishing you nothing but the greatest in life and many, many more. Happy birthday to someone that truly considers me as family. I pray that God bless you with many more wonderful years. Happy birthday. Thanks for being daddy's best friend, Jaden Horton and Zelandria Horton. Wishing you whatever makes your smile the biggest and your heart the happiest. That is what's up. That is what's up. Thank you so much, Jaden and Zelandria. I appreciate that. I really do. Y'all showing me a bunch of love here. See what y'all got in this box. Oh, they got it wrapped up good. Move this box out the way. Oh snap. Got me a Hulk figure. Y'all see that? Gonna open it up. Y'all know Hulk, one of my favorite Marvel characters. Probably my favorite character of all time, to be honest with you. Oh snap. This what's up. Look like a 3D printed Hulk. Oh man, this is dope. Let me get it up out of here. Dang. Alright, this what's up. I want y'all to check that out. That's a nice Hulk figure. Let me see, can I zoom in a little bit? Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, ladies, I appreciate that. How y'all know Hope was my favorite character? Did Chris tell you? But yeah, princesses, I appreciate that. I really do. Yeah, this gonna go in my little office. So shout out to Aya Khan, Chris, and his wife Jasmine, and his beautiful daughters Jaden and Zelandria. I really appreciate his birthday gift. Thank you very much. And I want to give a shout out to Transformers Third Party Kingdom, T3PK Network. Look for all the links in my community description. And what else? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification for more content. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Thank you again, Horton family, for this gift for my birthday. Much love. This is Gib ATL. I'll holler back at y'all later. Peace out. Yeah, this is a nice 3D printed Hope. I'm gonna show this all one last time.
Yeah. Oh, T3PK Network. Transformers Third Party Kingdom. Every voice in position, give ATL chasing grails with the collector's precision. Basement in the attic live, bringing energy to the stage. Diecast collective with the real talk, setting shelves in array. MD Seeker takes flight, American dads keep it grounded. The Icon files dig deep, where the history gets uncovered. Let's talk about it. Breaks the latest molds down. Cybertronian Quest keeps the truth in the sound. Scooby Prime File got the deals with the chase. Bear 2727 brings the fire to the place. Joe Prime in the mix, bringing power every time. Diz and Designs makes the visions come alive. TNT Neon Prime hits the room. It's TNT time. T3PK Network. Let the whole thing shine. Every show has a voice. Every creator has a time. T3PK Network. Feel the rhythm come alive. Transformers Third Party Kingdom. Oh, this is where we thrive. Every vision has a home. Every name gets its light. Different shows building something bigger every night. Transformers Third Party Kingdom. Let's start the show. Oh.